Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, and Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shit from Greenfield, Indiana via Walmart.com. I'm not sponsored by Greenfield, Indiana or Walmart.com, but I wish I was, or any of the products that are in this box. But as always, thanks for watching my videos. If you want to subscribe, that would be great. Hit the notification bell, find out when my next videos are coming out. I appreciate each and every one of you so much for watching. So, I just ordered some random stuff. I love Hidden Valley Ranch. I'm not brand loyal to pretty much anything except Hidden Valley Ranch. There's a few things, but I would never, for the most part, unless it's Hidden Valley Ranch, I don't like their ranch. So I got a 2-pack, and there's more bubble wrap. I got this Sheba pate in natural juices. This has 12 twin packs of delicate salmon entree, 6 twin packs of signature seafood entree, and 6 twin packs tender white fish and tuna entree. You want me to try this? No, I'm not. This is for my kitty. She's 19 years old. She's my baby. I don't know if these are even safe for humans. But no, I'm not going to try these. But she loves it. So, pretty simple unboxing video today. Just some Hidden Valley Ranch and some Sheba pate. You want to sponsor my videos? Slide up in my DMs. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to riptapparel.com or onceuponatea.net. Onceuponatea.net. Use my username London Hawthorne as a coupon code, and you'll save some money. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I wish you the best and have a great day.